So here we have the document again, showing the last 3 logos we sent to the client after we revised. Now that the client's confirmed that they're happy with the center logo, we're going to select that, go to Edit and Copy, File and New, to open a new document, and we're going to paste in with Ctrl and V, and we're going to save this down into a variety of final formats. Now the first format that I want to show is AI, which is an Adobe Illustrator format. So we go to the project folder, First Point Surfing, and we're going to create a folder called Final, because these are the final files. And I'm going to name it First Point Surfing as before. And I'm going to click Save with Adobe Illustrator selected as the Save As type. Now, it states version in this window, and it's currently on Adobe Illustrator CS5. Now, so that this works across all forms and versions of Adobe Illustrator, I'm actually going to save it down to Illustrator CS. There's nothing in this logo that's going to conflict by doing that. So just to make sure, I'm going to save it down to Illustrator CS, so that if the client or the printing company has lesser versions or previous versions before Adobe Illustrator CS5, they aren't going to have any problems opening the logo design file. So I go ahead and click OK. And the next I want to save as, click Save As Type and select Illustrator EPS. This is another major vector format, the EPS. So I want to provide this to the client, because it might be so that the printing company deals with EPS files, for instance, rather than AI files, which is a quite common thing. So I'll save this, and again for the version I'm going to select Illustrator CS EPS, and I'm going to click OK. Next I'm going to provide a PDF version of the logo design, and this is going to be used mostly to preview how the logo looks. The PDF format is a vector format, and it represents the most easiest way anyone can open a vector format, because many people won't have Adobe Illustrator, so they won't be able to open the AI file or EPS file, which is usually handled by professional printing companies. So I'm going to go to File, Save As, and in Save As type I'm going to select Adobe PDF and click Save. In this window I'm going to ensure that Preserve Illustrator editing capabilities is checked, because I want full editing rights assigned to this file. Then I'm going to go to Save PDF to confirm, and that's it saved as PDF. So the vector files are going to be used mostly for professional print. Now I'm going to go on to offer 3 raster or pixel formats: JPEG, GIF and PNG 24. These formats are primarily for personal use and non-professional print. So we're going to go ahead and make these raster images, and we're going to make larger versions of the logo. By doing this, the client only has to minimize the logo to bring it down to a size that they want. If the logo was small and they found that they needed to present a large version of the logo somewhere, the small logo wouldn't allow for enlargement without loss of clarity. So we always provide a large version of the logo. And zooming out 100% to see the real size. And I take it to about here. And go to File, save for Web and Devices. and with PNG24 selected, I'm going to go to our project folder, First Point Surfing, and clicking into Final and clicking Save. Doing the same again, File, Save for Web and Devices. Going to select GIF and then clicking Save. File once again, Save for Web and Devices. Selecting JPEG from the drop down and clicking Save. And clicking Save once again. And there we have it. We have 3 vector formats: AI, EPS and PDF. And we also have 3 raster or pixel formats: JPEG, GIF and PNG24. The JPEG has a vast colour scheme, so if you had a logo that incorporated a vast array of colours, the JPEG format would display that in all its glory. The JPEG format, however, doesn't offer transparency, so you couldn't place your logo upon a different coloured background without your logo being shrouded in white, which would be the case with this logo design. The GIF format doesn't feature as many colours as JPEG, but it does offer transparency. The PNG24 format features a vast array of colours, similar to the JPEG, and it features transparency. So the best of both worlds is featured in the PNG24 format. As there's different file types accepted for different purposes, across the internet for example, your client will have various uses for each.